Codex found 100 garbage keywords that Google was serving our ads on. And in turn, Codex saved us thousands of dollars on wasted ad spend. If you're running Google Ads, I'll leave a prompt below so you can check to see if you're wasting any ad spend too. The problem is that if Google doesn't find enough people to click your ads for the things you are bidding on, Google will start to show the ads on things that it thinks might work. And if somebody converts after clicking one of those unrelated keywords, then Google is going to start showing that to more and more people and have to unlearn that message from you paying the price for it. Here's how I got this to work. So if you can connect Codex to your Google Ads, you can get it to check on a schedule every single day if any of the keywords that people have clicked on are not relevant to our business and flag them as negative keywords. And you can see I did this here by connecting it to Bogey, which is our shared workspace, and that has access to our Google Ads directly in a way that Codex can use and Claude Code can use. And it spun up this dashboard where we can see not only our search terms, but all of our campaigns and any ideas that Codex has for different things that we should be doing, and all of our competitors and our overall ad performance. Now, to run this prompt once is great, but what's even better is to have it running on a schedule so that every single day it's checking this for you and making sure that when things come up as you're running your ads, it's dealt with. So I'll leave a prompt below so that you can try that. And if you want to take it even further, if you can connect your Slack to the shared workspace that you're using for all this stuff, you can actually get Codex to send a message, just like here, for how your ads are performing. And it can tell us if anything's going wrong, and if it wants to flag anything or remove any keywords, you can approve it before it does it if you don't trust it to go do that on its own. Now, how can you do this for yourself? Well, you can run the prompt to go see how your ad spend is doing, but if you want this full solution where it runs in the background and it's connected to everything out of the box, use Bogey. It's this platform we're building. I think it's genuinely very useful to a lot of teams out there, and we use it internally for all of our marketing and our go-to-market and infrastructure management and a ton of other things, and it's very handy, and I'll talk more about it in a future video. If you want to do this manually, here's the prompt that you can give Codex. Hey Codex, so can you go look up our company and get a good understanding of it? It's usebogey.com, and turn that into a document that you can use to reference as to who we are and why that matters. And then once you have that, use my browser to go to Google Ads and then pull up all of our search campaigns and make sure that there aren't any keywords that people have been clicking on that do not align with our brand. If there are, turn it into a nice report for us so that we can review them, and then when I give you the go ahead, mark them as negative so that we stop bidding on these things. So that'll run for a couple minutes, and then it'll give you some report that you can go review and do it yourself. But if you want the full managed solution that just works, you can connect Bogey to Codex and give Bogey access to Google Ads, and it will work out of the box and run on a schedule for you through Bogey directly.